decided tomorrow, as we are supporting the TSF, the road blockades, we TSF also called indefinite strike from tomorrow. On behalf of TSF, আমরা কালকে থেকে indefinite strike we declare. There is a message to all the people of the state. I will appeal all the people to participate in the movement. Let it be of all community, all tribe, students. I will appeal you all, especially the public schools. I want you all to support at this movement. Students, parents, আপনারা এই যে মুভমেন্টটা সাপোর্ট করতে হবে। This is a movement for our students' future. We are not against anyone. So we TSF, we support the TSF road blockades, but we TSF also call indefinite strike from tomorrow. That is our today press meet.